Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Crafter. We were diving into the basics of setting up a React application using Node.js. If you were new to web development, this video is perfect for you. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what we were going to do. We will create a simple React app using Node.js and display Hello React message, and you will use Node.js to set up a local environment server for our React app. Before we get started, make sure you have installed Node.js from the website nodejs.com and
Open up your terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. To create a React project, we will use a tool called Create React App. Simply type the following command: npm create react app my app. Once the project is created, you will see a new directory named my react app. This is our React project's root directory. Let's take a quick look at the important files and folders. src. This is where our application code lives. Public. Static assets like HTML files are stored here. Node modules. This is where our project dependencies start our development server and see our React app in action. In the terminal, navigate into your project directory using cd my react app and then run npm start. Our React app is up and running. You can access it by opening a web browser and navigate to localhost 3000. Let's customize our app by editing the app.js file. Feel free to play around with the code and see the changes in real time. Alright, let's dive right into the code. Here we have a basic React component that's rendering a simple Hello React app message along with a happy code subtitle. You were successfully set up a React project using Node.js. In this tutorial, we cover the basics of creating a React app, exploring the project structure, running the development server, and making simple customization. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.